Namaskar. My name is Simran, and I hail from India, the national capital called New Delhi. Today, as we speak on transgender and HIV, we all know that both are visible through our global perspective. And when we talk about the transgenders, we do believe that the emerging needs of transgenders requires a differentiated care and support model. Today, through my presentation, I'm planning to showcase a best innovation which has been implemented in India through the generous support of USAID and PEPFAR. In collaboration with the National AIDS Control Organization, um, the Johns Hopkins School of Medicine presents Accelerate through its implementing partners like YRG Care and Blue Letters Advisory, and with its technical advisor from the Fenway Institute. This is a global innovation that we are trying to implement in India. Having said that, what is an Accelerate? Accelerate, it's completely on providing HIV services for the key population which are affected by HIV and AIDS. As I did mention, this is being supported by USAID and PEPFAR, and it's implemented by the Johns Hopkins University School of Medicine. Its objective is to implement, evaluate, and transition promising, sustainable, and novel models of HIV prevention. And when we talk about novel models, we definitely believe in something which is called as innovation. We all know that transgender populations have broader healthcare needs which go beyond HIV. Hence, therefore, Accelerate is offering a comprehensive package of services which increases access to adherence of STIs and HIV prevention services. We basically try to formulate to reach unreached population, as India is a mini continent and it's having a vast geographical territories. We try to reach and provide services to unreached people. Most importantly, provide the need of an hour. So what does Accelerate do in its initiative for transgender population? As we begin the Accelerate in interventions throughout the country, the planning was not done in sitting in air-con conditioned rooms and trying to develop an intervention for a community. It was done in consultation with the community and the stakeholders. Expert groups and technical resource groups were invited to sort of ask the need of the community and sort of present an innovation global model for the community. And of course, not forgetting the community is the transgender community. That also indicates that site visits, assessment, and program designs were a integral part of this community consultations. With the support of the state AIDS control programs in creating an access for the cascade of HIV services, we also develop communication campaigns and awareness for the demand generation of these services. In the starting of this year, in January, with the help of the State AIDS Control Society and the generous support of USAID and Accelerate, we managed to open the first comprehensive transgender clinic. And till date, we almost have enrolled more than 100 people just within the first month of its implementation. Having said that, this also gave us a birth and an idea to expand our clinic services, just not limited to one territorial region, but to expand it further to the other territorial zones where the HIV was is at a peak within the transgender community. As we all know that one size does not fit all, and so is the transgender community. Community-based, client-centric, gender-affirming approaches are few of the services that has been provided within these transgender comprehensive clinic. As we did mention, currently we have 3 clinics been implemented with the support of USAID and PEPFAR in Hyderabad, Pune, and Thane regions of India. If we see at the service packages, we definitely see with just not with the HIV services, but going beyond HIV services, such as sexual health services, the hormonal services, the non-communicable, and the well-being services, which have been provided within the 3 clinical perspective. As we did mention, that nothing without us for us also is very prevalent within our community clinics. These clinics are governed by the community for the community. It has been implemented by the community for the community. And these are some of the few snapshots that we really have for you. Before I actually jump into the services, as you can see on the screen and which I have mentioned, I would like to take a pause and show you a very beautiful transgender clinic demo model for you to actually understand. So just allow me a minute to run this short video with you all. Transgender face a number of issues such as gender-based violence, harassment, and discrimination. The discrimination in healthcare settings affects the health-seeking behavior. Their healthcare needs are broader and just not limited to HIV and other STIs.
हम 7 साल का पहले SRS सर्जरी किया, ये सर्जरी फेल हो गई। ये सर्जरी में बहुत साइड इफेक्ट्स आ गए।
छोटा मोटा घाव पाना में वो सर्जरी करा लेते तो साइड इफेक्ट बहुत आ जा रहे हैं। किधर दिखा लेना, हमारा क्लिनिक रहे तो हमारा को बहुत अच्छा रहेगा ना।
Through various community consultations, Accelerate detailed a broader healthcare requirements of transgender community. This led to the development of a comprehensive transgender clinic launched in Hyderabad, Telangana on 29th of January 2021. The Comprehensive Transgender Health Clinic is designed to deliver HIV and STI services, gender transition, gender health and support system, including HIV STI testing and treatment, vaccination, HIV prevention services, hormone therapy, gender affirming certificates, mental health services, laser therapy, trans assistance program, legal services, etc.
This project that is being inaugurated in Hyderabad is so important for the transgender community because the program will include hormone replacement therapy, behavioral health, as well as primary care services and testing for HIV and sexually transmitted infections.
मैं खुश हूँ कि हैदराबाद में फर्स्ट टाइम है ये ट्रांस क्लिनिक आया। हैदराबाद में ही नहीं बल्कि इंडिया में ही फर्स्ट टाइम आया है ये ट्रांस क्लिनिक। मैं चाहती हूँ इंडिया के हर स्टेट में, हर सिटी में ऐसे ही ट्रांस क्लिनिक हो, क्योंकि हमारा स्टाफ सारा हमारी कम्युनिटी का है, तो इसीलिए कोई हमारे कम्युनिटी को दिक्कत नहीं होती है अपनी हेल्थ के या अपने भी कोई बात शेयर करने के लिए। थैंक यू सो मच। सलाम, नमस्ते, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल, जय भारत।
So as you see, this beautiful clinical demo which we have presented in front of you, and it has been mentioned that the clinical services which are provided for the transgender people. With that, this is the end of my presentation. I'm happy to take